Hey tech enthusiasts! Welcome to SysTech. Today, we're diving into the basics of networking as we learn how to connect 4 PCs using a hub in Cisco Packet Tracer. This hands-on lab will give you a solid foundation on how hubs function in a network. So, let's get started step by step. Step 1. Launching Cisco Packet Tracer. Open the application. Begin by launching the Cisco Packet Tracer program. Create a new project, navigate to the File menu located at the top left corner and select New to open a fresh workspace. Step 2. Adding devices to your workspace. 1. Inserting PCs. On the bottom left side, click the End Devices icon, which resembles a computer. Drag and position PC 0, PC 1, PC 2, and PC 3 onto the central workspace area. 2. Inserting a hub. Click on the Network Devices icon, depicted as a router. Choose the hub's category. Drag and place a generic hub into the workspace, positioning it centrally relative to the PCs. Step 3. Connecting devices with cables. 1. Selecting the appropriate cable. Click on the Connections icon, symbolized by a lightning bolt. Opt for the copper straight-through cable, suitable for connecting different devices. 2. Establishing connections. Click on PC 0, select Fast Ethernet 0 as the interface. Then, click on the hub and choose port 0 to establish the connection. Repeat this process for PC 1, PC 2, PC 3, and PC 4, connecting them to subsequent ports on the hub, e.g., port 1, port 2, port 3. Step 4. Configuring IP addresses. 1. Assigning IP addresses to each PC. Click on PC 0 to open its configuration window. Navigate to the Desktop tab and select IP configuration. Input the IP address, 192.168.1.2. Subnet mask, 255.255.255.0, it will be filled automatically. Close the configuration window. Repeat these steps for PC 1, PC 2, and PC 3, assigning them IP addresses 192.168.1.3, 192.168.1.4, and 192.168.1.5, respectively. Perform the IP configurations of PC 1. Perform the IP configurations of PC 2. Perform the IP configurations of PC 3. Great! Now we are ready to move forward to the next step. Step 5. Testing network connectivity. 1. Verifying connections using the ping command. Click on PC 0 to access its configuration window. Go to the Desktop tab and open the command prompt. Type IP protocol configuration. This command, IP protocol configuration, is used to check the IP configurations of a PC on Microsoft Windows. Now you can perform connectivity test using ping command. Type ping 192.168.1.3 and press enter to test connectivity with PC 1. Observe the responses to ensure successful communication. Alright, so right here, this section, the test summary, this is your secret weapon for troubleshooting. If you're troubleshooting connectivity issues, like slow Wi-Fi or dropped signals, this area is critical. Repeat the ping test from PC 0. Conduct similar tests between the other PCs to confirm full network connectivity. You did it. You just completed your second lab networking, using Cisco Packet Tracer, connecting 4 PCs through a hub. That's a massive step toward mastering networking fundamentals. This is your foundation. Next up. Routers, switches, LANs, the sky's the limit. Got questions? Stuck on a lab? Drop a comment below, I'm here to help. If this video helped you, smash that like button, share it with a fellow learner, and subscribe for more networking deep dives. Until next time, happy networking.